So we're down here in Heather Green in southeast London. This is another project we've just completed. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Used to look like the property next door, so a very tired and worn look. So we brick cleaned it all, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching Imperial bricks. I think there was around about 150 bricks on this project. Then we repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a combination of a flush finish and a penny roll finish. So I'll just give you a little close up of how that looks together. So as you can see, the penny roll finish on all the red detailing and then the flush finish on all of the London stock brickwork. We've also decorated all of the stonework, so stripped back all of the paint off all of the stonework, decorated all of the masonry, got them super sharp crisp lines in all of the stonework, put a new plinth on the base of the property with some period air vents just to finish that off. We've also done new downpipe, new fascia, board and guttering as well, just to finish everything off. So everything on the front, oh, and decorated this front door. Really like that colour front door, looks really good. So everything on the front of this property is now been restored, and the overall finish once again has come out fantastic. More happy customers. Got another 2 houses on this road booked in for after Christmas, so looking forward to getting them ones underway in the new year. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.